don't think that's the right version, is it, Andy? Have you got Nancy Sinatra there, mate? That's better.
For me, something you can't love but confess. You've been messing where you shouldn't have been messing, and now someone else taking all your best. These boots are made for walking, so I'm gonna walk all over you. Gonna walk all over you.
Sharon!
You keep playing where you ought to be playing, and you keep thinking that you'll never get burned. I just bought me a brand new box of matches. And what he knows you ain't had time to learn. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. Woo! One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. Are you ready, boots? Start walking!
Oh, she's good. Sharon, everybody, let's do it for her. Thank you, Bob. Wow.